Okay guys, I'm sitting here, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with the speaker. Before I get started here, this speaker came out of a Kenwood cabinet. The cabinet number is LS408A, that's the model. I believe they're made in like 78. There's not a lot of like information out there, and I can't find any spares or barely any information on the internet. There's two numbers printed on the side of this housing here, 912173 and 247811. And there's a number ink stamped in here. It's 212A321. I searched for all those numbers on the internet and was not able to find any information. And so it might just be like a serial number or something that is not important to identify in the speaker. Doing some tests here. I got this set up, some speaker cables coming out. I got roach clips on the back to kind of hold the wires in place, and then I have an RCA jack going out to my laptop here, and I'm gonna play music through it, and also send a low hertz signal to this so you can kind of see what's happening. I think I'm starting to buy into the idea that the surround is either the incorrect surround or improperly installed, so that it causes sort of a concentricity discrepancy between the cone and the housing of the speaker. And at high volumes, when you get into these really hardcore deflection situations, it may be pulling it off axis and causing the voice coil to rub the speaker. Okay, this is the busted speaker. I'm testing it at 3 hertz just to show that how it moves. Okay, so I'm up to about 20 right there. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is these wrinkles here. I don't know how normal that is, but it spans from about here to here. There's just a series of wrinkles. That tells me that this is putting this into tension. Maybe this little surround here is too small, or it's improperly spaced or not concentric or something. Let me turn it back down just so we can see it move. Okay, I'm gonna go look down in the spider. Yeah, I'm not seeing any disc bonds or anything moving. Somebody was asking about the leads. They look all right to me. They don't look like they're touching anything. Let's see if I can push that out of the way. Yeah, but I could hear something clicking like it's rubbing, but it's very faint. Let me turn it back up. I mean, it sounds fine. Okay, so let me play some music through it. I'll turn it back up to where I had it before. Okay, I'm gonna go up to this is the same volume the other one was playing at. It's super obnoxious. Anyway, that's what it's doing. I'm starting to buy into this idea that it's a surround. This one looks really bad when it deflects. You start to see these wrinkles appear, which tells me that something's going on. Maybe this glue joint's wrong, or the whole thing's like not concentric, and so you're getting non-uniform stresses around the outer perimeter here, and it's like biasing this cone to one side, which makes the voice coil rub or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna start this. You can see it's moving. This is the good speaker. Okay, so I'm about up to 20 right there. Okay, now look, see right here? It's hard to see, but I have like a wrinkle that's forming on this surround. There's one there. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Oh, here's one too. So I think what's happening here is it's creating tension, and it's instead of just, you know, taking up the deflection of the speaker, it's going into tension, and probably that tension results in things kind of like shifting from one side to the other. You can see them there pretty good. Let me zoom out a little bit. There you go. Okay, this is a test on the good speaker. I'm going to take it up to 20. I'm going to take it down to 25. It's like some of the highs are like starting to break up, but it sounds pretty stable. Okay, here's what I did. I take these calipers here and I nest them right at the tangency of this part, and I bring the into this end just like that. And then I get a measurement, measuring the space from the edge of this to the tangency right before that bulb starts. Okay, so on the good speaker, my max, so there's a pretty good range from 0.70 to 0.83, max being 0.83 to 70, and then the average was 0.76 inches. For the bad speaker, same minimum, 0.70. I think my maximum was 0.8, and the average is 0.74. So the average between this one is 0.74 inches and 0.76 inches. So I don't know what to make of this, really. I mean, the difference, it's like a 1/10 of an inch difference on both of them between the minimum and maximum condition. And then 0.20 difference between the average. So I don't really see like a big discrepancy that would cause a concentricity issue. I mean, 0.20 is like 1/3 of the thickness of a washer. I mean, maybe if it's that sensitive, it could like when the volume's up high, it could be shifting the speaker like 0.20, you know, wherever you're getting the tension, wherever it starts first, it would shift the axis of the cone off a little bit. But still, it's just weird. Hey, so I went ahead and ordered a new surround kit from simplyspeakers.com. It cost me about 27 bucks. I'm gonna give it a try to take this off and replace it. It's entirely possible that these have been reconed or, you know, a new surround put on here before. It's also possible that they put the wrong one or installed it incorrectly. So I'm gonna try that. I think I might take this little dome off here and see if I could fit a shim around the inside of the voice coil there, and see if I can see anything like touching. But yeah, I'm out of ideas. If you guys have any thoughts on what this could be, or any tests that I could run to help diagnose what's going on with this thing, I would appreciate it.